Good morning and welcome to the 10 a.m. daily weather brief. Starting off with our upper level wind profile from this morning, we had a freezing level of 14,400 feet with winds remaining light throughout a good portion of our column, staying below 12 knots and starting at the surface at a more northeasterly direction before shifting clockwise and maxing out at about 25,000 feet at 28 knots. Looking at our most recent surface analysis chart here, that stationary frontal boundary along the Virginia and North Carolina border is expected to push north tonight through our region overnight in the form of a warm front, and that will likely bring some scattered morning showers and some early low-level cloud cover with gradually clearing skies expected afterwards. Temperatures will then warm to the upper 80s, even breaking into the 90s Wednesday, and we'll see an expanding upper-level ridge that will help bring in those hot temperatures and warmer conditions. And Thursday, yet another hot day with heat indices potentially reaching the 100-degree mark, followed by afternoon and evening thunderstorms as another cold front approaches the region, with the SPC issuing a slight risk for severe storms, damaging winds, and hail look to be the main threats for that passage there on Thursday. And Friday will bring a brief cool down before temperatures once again climb through the weekend with a prolonged period of warm weather as a developing upper-level ridge strengthens across the eastern U.S. Moving to the 24-hour risk chart here, a few changes from earlier today. We have added a slight chance for the chance of precip earlier in our forecast period. We are seeing some showers off to the west that were expected to form and are continuing to diminish as they approach the bay and try to make their way over. But in the off case that one does make its way across the bay, it should be in the form of a light shower or a sprinkle, and lightning chances should remain rather low. Other than that, all things remain the same, cloudy throughout with low cloud decks and a chance of a flash of thunder and some rain come early tomorrow morning. Moving on to the short-term risk board here. Wednesday, we can expect partly cloudy conditions with a chance of a morning shower or thunderstorm and a high of 91, with orange for precip and lightning, a yellow mark on the board for winds and for low ceilings. Those winds, as of right now, a couple models were indicating that they would get close to advisory criteria, but not quite there yet, so just a yellow for now. Wednesday night, partly cloudy, a low of 80, greens across the board as of right now for Wednesday night. And Thursday, partly to mostly cloudy with a chance of an evening shower or thunderstorm. Oranges on the board for precip and lightning, with yet another yellow mark for the winds. Now moving on to the 7-day forecast. Wednesday, we can expect some morning showers or thunderstorms when that warm front moves through. Winds may gust near those advisory criteria. And Thursday evening, we can see the chance for some showers and thunderstorms as a cold front moves through the area. Friday, a brief cool down in the week as another frontal passage moves through before high pressure builds in behind and temperatures increase and continue to do so moving into next week as high pressure kind of takes a good hold of the region. And that is going to conclude our 10 a.m. 7-day outlook. I will be back tomorrow at 8:15 with the daily weather operations brief.